Hey everyone, today is the best highlighters of 2023. We'll just jump in. Let's start with Hourglass. Beautiful product. Subtle, stunning, elegant. Not much else to say, it's perfect. If you're looking for a more liquidy one, Patrick Tar here. This is excellent. Touched on the high points of the face or on the body. It's quite a sticky mess, if I can show you. Another one I can't open. Oh, come on. There we go. So it's quite a sticky mess, but it leaves a beautiful finish on the skin. It really does. Okay, the next one here. This is by Rare Beauty. These are lovely. These are liquids, and they are so pretty, shimmery, and beautiful. Nude Sticks comes with a brush and an end with the highlighter in. They're stunning. They're really pretty. I'm a big fan of liquid and cream products. I think they always look more beautiful on the skin. Iconic London. Beautiful drops of shimmer here. They're absolutely stunning. They truly are. If you're looking for the best packaging again in the world, Westman Atelier, this is their stick highlighter. Really subtle and very, very beautiful. Very expensive. Next up, beautiful product by Pat McGrath. Comes in double-ended as well, so you get to pick and choose which one you want. Great colors, blends like a dream, feels heavenly. I love this one by Victoria Beckham. This is absolute perfection. It's expensive, but it looks gorgeous on the skin. Charlotte Tilbury, Hello, beautiful light wand, reflects the light, great on the collarbones or the chest, just stunning. If you're looking for like the most beautiful thing in the world, Clé de Peau, look at that. Can you see that? Let me try and do it back here. It's so pretty. It's almost untouchable because it's so pretty. Kevin Aucoin, Candlelight, beautiful, beautiful. These can all be used, by the way, as eyeshadows as well. And let's end with this one here by Jones Road. And this is the Miracle Balm. Works great. Just the touch is needed on the high points, or you can place it on your body. Somebody said to me a while ago, it's got a smell to it. It does have a smell to it. It doesn't bother me in the slightest, but it's an odd smell. That's my favorites of highlighters. I don't have this massive collection of highlighters. Generally speaking, most people need a silver, a gold, an eggshell, and a burgundy, and that will suit pretty much all skin tones. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye-bye.